Good morning students. Today we are starting with the exercise 15th B. The question is solve and graph the solution set on the number line. Means we have to solve this in equation and whatever the result will come we have to show this result on the number line. Okay. So already you know that how to solve this. -5 shifting that side will become +5 and -2. That means the value of x is +3, means value of the x is less than +3. Correct? And what they are saying as a replacement set, x belongs to the natural numbers. Natural numbers means what? Only the positive numbers will included in it. So first of all we'll draw the number line. And remember students, the number line always with the pencil. Okay, 1 2 3, -1 -2 and -3. So here draw the number line with the pencil. Now what they are saying, x is less than 3. If the value of x is less than 3 and x belongs to the natural number, our natural number starts from 1 and 2. Only the two numbers are included in it. Okay, so we will make it as dark circle. Got it? So this is the representation of the solution set. Next, same type of question is here. To find out the value of x, -1, shift that side, will become 5 plus 1. So 3x is 6. Now 3 is here, dividing both sides by 6. So when we divide, 3 is here, no? So divide both sides by 3. So to remove this 3, we divided both sides by +3. So therefore 3 get cancelled, 3 2s are 6, hence the value of x will be 2. Got it? Now again we want to represent this on the number line. X belongs to the whole number. X belongs to the whole number. That means 0 1 2 3. Again -1 -2 -3 and -4, +4. Now what they are saying, x belongs to the whole number and value of the x is greater than 2. If value of the x is greater than 2, that means everything included in it. So we will show the arrow as a dark arrow because all the numbers which is greater than 2 is included in our set. Okay, next, our next question is here. The question is -3x plus 12 is less than -15, and here x belongs to the real numbers. In the previous lecture we have learned that real number means what and how it is represented on the number line. Okay, so let us find out the value of x. -3x plus 12 going that side will become -12. So -3x is less than -15 -12 will gives us -27. Okay, now to remove this -3 which is along with the x, dividing both sides by -3. So -3x divided by -3 and -27 divided by -3. Okay, so whenever we are dividing both sides with the negative numbers, the inequality sign get reverse. So let us reverse this inequality sign. So it will become greater than. Okay, minus 3 will get cancelled, it becomes 9. Therefore the value of x is greater than 9. Okay, and now we want to represent this on the number line. Our x belongs to the real number. It is given in our question. The replacement set is the real number. Real number means what? Everything is included in that. Value of the x is greater than 9. So we will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. Now since the value is greater than 9, so how we can represent it? Since it is greater than 9, that means 9 is not included in that. We will give the circle for it, and all the numbers which is greater than 9 we will show with the dark arrow, because everything is included. 9 is not included, so we have given here a circle for 9. Give the circle for 9, and everything after this 9 is included in the number line. So we have shown the dark arrow for it. Okay. Next, question number 4th. In this 4th question, again we want to find the value of x. So this is the inequation 7 greater than equal to 3x minus 8, and this time x belongs to the whole numbers. So minus 8, shifting this side will become plus 8. 7 is already there, 3x. 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8 will become 15. Dividing both sides by 3. So when we divide both sides by 3, 15 divided by 3, and also 3x is divided by 3, so it becomes 3 5s are 15 x. That means value of the x is greater than equal to 5. Sorry, value of the x is less than equal to 5. It means 5 is also included in our set. So let us represent this. Since our x belongs to the whole number, so that means obviously negative numbers will not include in our set. Okay, what is the value of x? Less than equal to 5 means 5 is also included in our set. So this time our set belongs to the whole number. That means we will not dark the line. So we will make dark line only if the x belongs to the real numbers. Is that clear? Okay. Next question is here. Question number 9th we are solving now. Or we can solve the question number 8th. 1 minute. Yes, it is here. Question number 6th we are solving. Question number 6th. It is 8x minus 9 is less than equals to 35 minus 3x, and this time x belongs to the natural numbers. So let us find out the value of x by shifting all the x terms in one side, constants in other side. So 8x is here, minus 3x, shifting this side will become plus 3x. Minus 9, going that side will become plus 9. Got it? So 8x plus 3x will be 11x. 35 plus 9 will become 44. 11 is in the multiplication, going that side goes for division. Therefore the value of x will be greater than equal to 4. Value of the x is greater than equal to 4. So let us represent it on the number line. Here x belongs to the natural number. That means negative numbers will not include in it. Okay. Now our x belongs to the natural number and value of the x is greater than equal to 4. Value of the x is greater than equal to 4. That means since equal to sign is there, that means 4 is also included in our set. 4, 5, 6, 7. And also we will make this arrow as a dark arrow because it is infinite set and it goes on in the positive side. Got it? Next, question number 7. 5x plus 4 is greater than 8x minus 11. X belongs to z. Z stands for integers. Okay. So shift x terms in one side, constants in other side. We can shift 8x in that side, but 5x minus 8x again it becomes negative. So better we shift minus plus 5x in this side so that the sign will remain, means we don't need to divide it with any negative number. Okay, so minus 11 going that side will become plus 11, plus 4 is here only, plus 5x going that side will become minus 5x. So 11 plus 4 becomes 15. 8x minus 3x, 8x minus 5x is 3x. Dividing both sides by 3. 3 ones are 3, 5s are. So that means 5 is greater than x. It means value of the x is less than 5. So let us represent it on the number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now what they are saying? X is less than 5. If value of x is less than 5, then it will include 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So we will show the arrow as a dark arrow because it is up to infinity in the negative side. Okay. Then next question. Question number 8 is here. See what is the question number 8. 2x upon 5 plus 1 is less than minus 1. So minus plus 1 going that side will become minus 3 will remain same, plus 1 shifting that side will become minus 1. So 2x upon 5 is less than minus 4. Correct. Then 5 is in the division, going that side goes for multiply, and 2 is in the multiply, shifting that side goes for division. That means when we shift 2 upon 5 that side, it becomes a reciprocal. Got it? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So therefore the value of x is minus 2 multiplied by 5. Therefore the x will be minus 10. Okay. Value of the x will be less than minus 10. Now our x belongs to the real number. X is what? A real number. That means we have to dark the line as well because everything is present in the real numbers. So let us draw the number line. Since the value of x is less than minus 10, so we will start with less than minus 10. means minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, and so on. The value of x is less than minus 10, and in the question it is given that x belongs to the real number. Therefore, if it is less than minus 10, we have to take all the numbers which is on the left side of the number line. So when we goes in the left side, the value goes on decreasing. So we will represent all these numbers with the dark line. Okay, and minus 10 is not included, no, so give it as a circle. And also the numbers which is in between 0 and minus 11, minus 10 and minus 11 is also included in that. Got it? So like this we can represent this set on the number line. Okay, we'll do one more question of the same type. That is question number 9.